Okay guys, now let's move on. It's reading passage 2 and the title is Palm Oil, Sufi Canola. Alright, so palm oil is the topic, and you know this oil already, like it's a cooking oil, palm oil we use in our everyday household and all that. You can see the passage is labeled A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Whenever passage is labeled, it means there will be type 2 questions. Got it? Whenever passage is labeled, it means there will be type 2 questions. One type 2 question is list of headings, and second one is which paragraph contains the following information. Now, please come to the passage, to the questions. Questions 14 to 20. Reading passage 2 has 8 sections A to H. Which section contains the following information? Got it? This is type B, and you will do it in the end. If you start with this question, wow, amazing thing will happen. You will lose your mind. At the end, good questions like 21, 22, 23, 26, you will not be able to do them. So it's very important to decide from which question type you are going to start. Now please come to questions 21 and 22. Choose 2 letters. This is what we call multiple choice, where out of 5 options you have to select 2 options. So I will recommend you to do it at the second place. And then we have questions 23 to 26. And what is that? Complete the sentences below. And which type is it? Type A. Always start with type A questions, and then you can move on to type B questions. And in type A also, the ones that are easiest ones start from there. So where should we start from? 23 to 26. Let's start. Complete the sentences below. Choose no more than. Now, how many words? 2 words this time. Okay, sir? Now 2 words. Now 2 words doesn't mean every time 2 words. It means minimum 1 word, maximum 2 words. Write your answers in boxes 23 to 26 on your answer sheet. Question number 23. One advantage of palm oil for manufacturers is that. Now what's the question? One advantage for palm oil manufacturer is that it stays. What does it mean? Palm oil. It stays, or palm oil stays dash even when not refrigerated. Now look for the word refrigeration, manufacturers, and by the way, start looking for answers from the first paragraph, because usually the answers come from first paragraph of this type of questions. First paragraph. Found the word manufacturers? Okay, now please follow me and listen. Look here, look here. Your first target should be to find the location of your answer. Okay, and exact location, first paragraph, second that line, and then start reading. Now I'm going to read it from 4th line. Why is palm oil so attractive for manufacturers? Primarily because its unique properties, such as remaining solid at room temperature. Now room temperature means not refrigerated, remaining solid. Now remaining solid means it stays solid. For stays they use the word remains or remaining. Answer is solid. Got it? Yeah? Good. Clear to everyone? Good. Question number 24. The dash is the best known of the animals. Now answer is going to be the name of animals. The dash is the best known of the animals suffering habitat loss as a result of the spread of oil palm plantations. Now there is one animal which is losing its habitat. Habitat is a place for living for the animals. So let's go back. We are going to look for an animal which is losing its habitat. Look for the word habitat or any other word like that. Go on to paragraph B and C. Okay, why C paragraph? because they use the word species and all that. Okay, now all of you please come to paragraph C and third last line, endangered species. Got it? Listen, look here now. The clue word is animal. So you will look for a paragraph where they have mentioned the name of the animal or they have used the word species. So I'm reading it from paragraph C, third last line. Endangered species, most famously the Sumatran orangutan. Now see, when they use the word endangered species, when they use the word species, it's understood that Sumatran orangutan is an animal. Even if you don't know the meaning, you can Google it and you'll say, "Acha bandar hai." Right? Whatever the animal is, doesn't matter. Sumatran orangutan, but also, now listen, but also rhinos, elephants, tigers, and numerous other fauna. Now tell me why elephants, rhinos, and tigers are not the answer. Because they use the, no, it's not that. They use the word, the dash is the best known. And for best known, they use the word most famously. जिसको ये चीजें समझ आ गई, रीडिंग प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगी. ठीक है? The best known and most famously. And be careful when you write the spelling of Sumatran orangutan. Got it? Yeah. Sumatran orangutan. किसी का नेट चल रहा है, जरा तस्वीर निकाल लें इस जानवर की, बाकी भी देख लें. Okay, let's go on. Question number 25. As one of its criteria for the certification of sustainable palm oil, the RSPO, what is the clue word? Now, RSPO means one of their criteria for certification. RSPO insists that growers check dash on a routine basis. Now, there is something that growers need to check on routine basis. What is it that they need to check? Paragraph G. Okay, and on routine basis, listen. Check on routine basis, for that they use the word regular assessment. Regular assessment. Paragraph G. Found the word regular assessment? Yes, fourth last line. Now all of you please come to fifth last line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Paragraph G, fifth last line from the middle. The RSPO. Found it? And insist. And by the way, in question also they use the word insists. Have they? Yeah, insist. They use the same word. Okay, let's read it. Please follow me. Paragraph G, I'm reading it from 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line. RSPO insists upon no virgin forest clearing, transparency and regular assessment of carbon stocks. Now, what is the word for regular assessment in the question? Check dash on routine basis. So, what do they check on routine basis? Carbon stocks. Only stocks will be the wrong answer because it does not define carbon. So, the correct answer is carbon stocks. Question number 26. Elwood and his researchers. What's the clue word? Elwood. Find it. Where is Elwood? Well done. Now come back. We read the question. Question number 26. Please follow me, all of you. Elwood and his researchers are looking into whether the bird's nest fern could restore dash. Bird nest fern could restore dash in areas where oil palm trees are grown. Now the clue word is bird's nest fern. It's something. Could restore something. Alright, let's come to this. Have you found the word bird's nest fern? Okay, now listen. Whenever you find the word, try to go back to last full stop and read from there. So the last full stop is Elwood believes. Paragraph H, fourth last line. All of you are there? Yeah? Paragraph H for horse, fourth last line. Elwood believes. Mil gaya? Come on. Make sure your neighbors found it. Okay. Elwood believes that reintroducing the bird's nest fern into oil palm plantations could potentially allow these areas to recover their biodiversity. To recover their biodiversity. And what is the word for recover? Excellent. That's right. In the question they use the word restored. In the passage they use the word recovered. And the answer is biodiversity. All right. ठीक हो गया ना? अब जरा देखें, आपने 4 क्वेश्चंस का आंसर कर लिया, और अगर आप स्टार्ट करते 14 से 20 तक, इतना, क्योंकि 14 से 20 तक जो क्वेश्चन है उसके लिए आपको पूरे पैसेज, हर क्वेश्चन के लिए पूरे पैसेज पे जाना है, हर क्वेश्चन के लिए। तो जब आप अगर स्टार्ट वहां से करेंगे तो जो बेचारे आसान वाले हैं वो भी इग्नोर हो जाएंगे। ठीक है, हो जाए।